This is going to be a very hard journey for you. So you have to prepare yourself to seek your own approval by your own study and your own development. Reward yourself when you do it right. And when you do it wrong, give yourself permission to be wrong and allow yourself to grow. There is never, ever going to be a trader that starts and never has a loss. My very first trade was a loss. I lost 50% of my account overnight. I had no idea what I was doing. I was baptized, thrown in the water, and drowned. Stick to what you were trying to do. When it gets to your objectives, scale out and get your target and move to the sidelines. Don't change strategies while you're in a trade. It never, ever, ever is a good thing. Find your unique model and grow from it. Don't tweak it too much. Once it's profitable, stick with it. And then what you'll find is, by using a more advanced money management approach, if you have a method that gives you a delivered result that's measurable and it's consistent enough that it does it more times than it doesn't, if you add impeccable risk management and money management to that, you will become wealthy. End of story. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. That's the way it is. But you cannot get to that point until you go through all these other steps that are very, very boring, admittedly, but they're all part of the process. So you're controlling your impulses to stop telling everybody your business, okay? It's your business. It's not their business. So stop giving your business to someone else. Learn risk management well and make that your initial, very first thing that you want to master. Your coworkers are going to give you every negative thing because they hate their life. They're just going to look at you as your pipe dream, and you're not going to get to where you're going, and it's going to be fun for them to watch you fail. They're at the same place you're at, yet you're trying to escape, and you don't want to have someone constantly poking you every day. Unless you feel the pain of being in a market that's not moving in your favor or screaming against you, you're not going to fully appreciate what I'm saying here. And I just was doing everything wrong. But I was not going to be deterred. I saw lots of equity swings that would make anyone else nauseous, and I didn't care because I figured I'm going to get it right eventually. Find your unique model and grow from it. Don't tweak it too much. Once it's profitable, stick with it. You will become wealthy. End of story. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. That's the way it is.